How does Carbofix use metabolism to remove belly fat? In a nutshell, Carbofix is a supplement that helps the body control carbohydrates to prevent unwanted weight gain. This also means that Carbofix targets body fat, encouraging it to burn by activating a protein called AMPK. Here's how it works. Every day, carbohydrates enter our bodies through the food we eat. Once they're in, they get broken down into sugars, which then provides energy for the body. Now, what AMPK does is improve the body's reaction to the hormone insulin, which causes the absorption of sugar. This way, blood sugar levels don't rise but remain stable, and the body can burn fat instead of storing them. As we age, our body produces less AMPK, which is why it gets harder to melt belly fat as we enter our midlife years. AMPK is found in every cell in our body and is a genetic master switch that controls our metabolism. Since metabolism is the essence of life, activating AMPK becomes key to living longer and better. Carbofix contains the necessary ingredients that can increase AMPK and thus speed up the fat-burning properties of your body safely. The following are Carbofix main ingredients and their wonderful health effects. Cinnamon. This sweet ingredient is popular among snacks and desserts, but fresh cinnamon is actually good for you. It helps control blood sugar levels and balance the fatty foods that we eat. These lead to a healthy weight. Alpha-lipoic acid. This is an antioxidant that has the same effects as B vitamins do, including energy production. They help with the metabolism of carbohydrates, so they can be used for energy instead of storing fat. Naringin. Naringin is an anti-inflammatory plant compound that helps protect the body from developing chronic illnesses such as diabetes. Benfotiamine. Benfotiamine is a nutrient derived from vitamin B1 that is known for its healing effects. It has been found to be effective in treating diabetic neuropathy, which is a type of nerve damage caused by diabetes. Before we move on with our list, if you're enjoying this video so far, give us a like, subscribe to our channel for more health-related videos, and click the bell icon to be notified whenever there's a new upload. Lastly, chromium. This is a mineral that is also essential in small amounts. It helps with regulating blood sugar, nerve function, and boosting metabolism. These ingredients all work together to activate the AMPK, thereby stimulating proper metabolism and faster weight loss. One more fact you need to know, Carbofix should be a part of a healthy lifestyle. You don't just take it for a week and you're done. And once you get in the habit of drinking Carbofix every day, you will want to maintain it. You'll reap so many benefits as time progresses. The best part of seeing the results is wanting to maintain them. On Carbofix's website, you'll see lots of testimonials from all age groups. You'll learn about the benefits they got after drinking Carbofix consistently. So, if you're looking into becoming healthier every day, check Carbofix out using the link in the description. It's important to recognize this as you might see this product elsewhere and the risk of getting scammed is high. There we have it. We have lots of other health-related content, so do check out our channel and subscribe for more awesome videos coming your way. Ring the notification bell so you won't miss out on new knowledge that could help you lose weight. Thank you for watching and see you around.